In this video, you'll learn how to add a background image in Google Docs. We'll go step by step at a relaxed pace so you can follow along and get the exact look you want for your document. Let's start right at the beginning by opening Google Docs. Go ahead and sign into your Google account in your browser, then open Google Docs from your apps or by going to the main Docs page. From there, either create a new blank document or open an existing one where you want to add the background image. It's a good idea to check your page setup first, like margins and orientation, because the image you add will be sized to your current page layout. If you plan to print, make sure your page size and margins are set the way you like before you add the image. Once your document is open and ready, we'll move on to inserting the background. Look at the menu bar at the top of the screen and click on Insert. A long drop-down menu will appear with a lot of options for things you can add to your document. Move your mouse down to the section labeled Page Elements. This is where Google Docs puts tools that affect the entire page, not just a single line or paragraph. Within Page Elements, click on Watermark. This is the feature we'll use to place an image behind your text. Even though the term watermark might make you think of faint logos or simple graphics, this is actually the built-in way to add a full-page background image in Google Docs. When you click Watermark, a panel will open on the right side of your screen. At the top of that panel, make sure the image option is selected, not text. Since we want a background picture, we'll be working with an image watermark, not a text watermark. Now choose Image. You'll see options to upload an image from your computer, search the web, use Google Drive, or even pull in a file from Google Photos. The most reliable way is usually to upload a prepared image from your computer. Click the Upload option, then browse to find the picture you want to use. Select it and confirm to upload. After the image loads, Google Docs will place it behind the content on every page of your document. Give it a moment. If your image is large, you'll see it appear faintly behind your text. In the watermark panel, you can adjust the scale of the image to make it larger or smaller so it fits the page the way you want. You can also adjust the transparency slider. If your text is hard to read, increase the transparency so the image becomes lighter in the background. If you want a bolder effect, decrease the transparency so the image stands out more while still staying behind your content. Take a moment to scroll through your document and check how the background looks on each page. If something doesn't look right, just return to the watermark panel and tweak the scale or transparency until you're happy with the result. When you're done, simply close the watermark panel. Your background image is now part of the document and it will stay in place as you continue typing, editing, or sharing your file.